products in this room, the Autex Quiet Space and the Ecophon Sombra, they're both extremely good at absorbing the sound. The NRC is extremely high compared to most acoustic panels. What that means is that the sound waves that travel around the room and hit the panels are not reflecting back. So, I mean, the way I'm talking, we can tell that it's a fairly dead space, which is what you need for a performing arts studio. We're going to the cinema now, and what a space this is. I mean, this is a high-end cinema fit out. The acoustic contractor on here was Hushed Acoustics. They fit out the entire university with the acoustic package. Muffle provided the materials. The products that we've got in this space are Ecophon Acousto wall panels that are in licorice either side. We've got Autex Quiet Space behind us, and then above our heads we've got Ecophon Master B.